Your Showit template is highly customizable, so that means that you can add pages, duplicate them, reorder canvases, duplicate canvases, and really build things out to suit your needs. An example of this, we'll use the About page and say I really like this canvas here where we have this photo strip and then some copy content on the side, and I want to use this on a different page of the site as well. I don't want to use it in the same way. I'm not going to make it a site canvas, but I like this general setup. What I can do is go to Page and then click into the canvas that I want to use. I'll click on the three dots here and I can click on Copy, and then I can go to another page, for example, the Results page here. And then I can go to Page, click on the three dots at the top. I have results highlighted. I haven't selected a canvas yet. And then click on Paste. And that's going to put this here down at the bottom. Then I can reorder it. Say I don't like it right underneath this testimonial. I actually want it above this case study. I'm going to click on it and then just drag it up. And now we've adjusted the order. Now I can go in and edit the content. I can swap out the photos and not worry about it adjusting the other canvas that we copied and pasted this from. You also can add canvases from other pages or even other site designs that you have. You click on the three dots and then click Add from Library or Add a Blank Canvas. If you add a blank canvas or one from the library, it's always going to populate down here at the bottom. Just remember that's where it will land, and then you can always adjust the order later. Definitely remember to check the mobile version when you're doing this and look at how things are aligning and make any adjustments as needed. Same thing with adding canvases. You can delete them the same way. You'll click on the canvas, click on Page, click on your three dots, and then Cut or Delete. If you cut something, you can paste it somewhere else. If you delete, it's just going to remove it. This same setup works for pages. If we need to add a new page, we can duplicate. So we'll click on the three dots and click on Duplicate. And that's going to give you a copy of the page that you can rename and then edit, or you can add from the library. Click on here, Add from Library, or you can add a blank page. When you add a blank page, remember you're going to start with your canvas sets already added there for you. That kind of gives you a head start on customizing the page. You delete pages the same way, clicking on the three dots and then click on Delete. Just double check and make sure that you really want to delete the page you have selected because you can't undo that change. If you want to hide pages before you publish, say we are working on our template and we're not ready to have our call scheduler live, that's this page here, I can click on these three dots on the side and uncheck this publish so that it's not highlighted. You'll see this little I closes next to the name call scheduler. Then I can go ahead and publish this page and no one will be able to access this part of the site. If they do go to the direct URL, it will get a 404 page, which usually is not great, but in this case, we want that up so that this page isn't accessible until we're ready. Then we can go back and turn it on and then just republish the site in order to make that page go live again. When you get your template, you probably will have a blog demo for your single post and blog homepage. These are only for demo purposes, so you could see what it looked like with real posts inside there. You want to make sure that you go ahead and delete these pages because you're going to be using your blog inside WordPress, the blog here and the single post. You'll make those blog posts inside of WordPress and Showit will populate them. We'll have a separate video covering the blog for you. But in order to delete these pages, you'll click on the three dots and then click on Delete on each of these.